Tired of paying for a roof overhead, trading your lifetime for a place to be fed. Why buy the right just to live and to stay, when you could be building in your own way? One builds with their hands, stone by stone. The other commands, it still makes it their own. Both will save thousands, both will be wise. Both see their dream home before their own eyes. Build where you belong, raise your own song, a home with your heart, where you're safe and strong. Learn the foundation, the sequence, the plan. Build your tomorrow with your own hand. From blueprint to brick, each part you must know. How walls, wires, and water all fit as they grow. October is calling, come learn, come prepare. With solar and air, your own future is there. Learn every sequence, each how-to in line. Gain skill and the confidence, make it divine. Cob, cast earth, wattled walls too. AirCrete school's workshop is waiting for you. Build where you belong, raise your own song, a home with your heart, where you're safe and strong. Learn the foundation, the sequence, the plan. Build your tomorrow with your own hand. No more chains, no rent to pay. Your freedom is built in a brand new way. Click the link, come join, arrive. Learn to build a house where you're truly alive. Build where you belong, raise your own song, a home with your heart, where you're safe and strong. My